Hello, kids! Welcome back to our drawing time. Are you ready to draw a house with an apple tree? Let's start drawing together. First, let's draw the roof of the house. We make a big triangle shape. Nice and easy. Now, on the left side of the roof, let's add a chimney. Just a small rectangle. Great job! Next, we draw the body of the house, a big shape under the roof. Wow! Our house is starting to appear. On the left side of the house, let's draw the main door. It's a round door, like a friendly door saying hello. Now, look at the top center of the house. Let's draw a half-circle window. This window looks like a smiling face. On the right side of the house, we draw a cute window. Make it nice and lovely. Under the window, let's draw some flower pots. Flowers make the house happy. Now, on the right side of the house, we draw a fence. Start from left to right, then connect all the fence pieces together. Perfect! Behind the fence, let's draw a big apple tree. The tree has 2 branches. Can you see them? On the leaves, let's draw lots of cute apples. So many apples! Yummy! Now, at the bottom left corner of the house, let's draw a bush, round and fluffy. Great! We are done with the line drawing. Now it's time for coloring. Coloring part. First, we color the roof. Use orange color. Wow, that looks warm. Now, color the half-circle window. Use light blue and light brown. Next, let's color the main door. Use brown and light brown. Mix them together. On the right window, color the glass blue and the window frame brown. The flower pots and the steps, we color them gray. Now, color the house. Use bright yellow. So cute! color the bush on the left, use green. Color the chimney with brown. Now the fence on the right, use light brown. Color the apple tree trunk with brown. On the tree, color the apples red. They look so delicious. Now, color the leaves, use dark green and light green. At the bottom of the picture, color the ground light green. Color the sky on top, use blue. Finally, use white to draw fluffy clouds floating in the sky. And done! We finished our beautiful drawing. You did an amazing job. Give it a big thumbs up. See you next time. Bye-bye, little artists.